Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope everyone's feeling good today. Here in Houston, I just pulled up to a DIY here called the Berg. Bunch of people have been telling me about it, so yeah, checking it out right now. But wanted to talk about how I feel today after that slam from yesterday. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, I was coming down a ditch, full speed, like pumping as hard as I possibly can, and my truck snapped in half. Got pitched into a concrete bank. So luckily it was like more of a meat and potatoes kind of a slam. So just shoulder, hip isn't really, in the potato category. But for the most part, it was just like a shoulder block of my body into the bank. Now, I left, my hip's a little bruised, my elbow's a little bruised and scuffed, but ultimately, I've fallen like that so many times over the years that I could deal with it. The one thing I was, kind of suspecting was today when I woke up, I'd feel a little different. And this side of my neck, my arm, I guess all the muscle I use to like hold myself against the bank, definitely a bunch of soreness around the body, but nothing crazy, just something to acknowledge. The neck stuff, I don't know if there was a little bit of whiplash in there, or it's probably just from tensing up so much, like so quickly. But yeah, I'm sure once I get the blood flowing and warmed up and skated a little bit, that'll dissipate. But yeah, definitely feeling a little tight right now. So, but yeah, I'm excited to check this place out. Looks like it'll be fun. So let's see what it's got. How's it going? Chad, nice to meet you.
Tony.
How's it going? You come here all the time?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How long's it been here?
It's been here for a while, dude.
Yeah? Do you help build like the stuff here?
Some of it, yeah.
Yeah?
Like the guys who originally started it, like they come here every now and then, but there's one dude you should talk to, Dakota.
Okay.
I don't know if you met him last night.
I don't think so.
He's pretty much the grandfather of this place, like the mayor.
Yeah? Yeah.
But it's fun, dude. It's like I'm just
Yeah.
trying to take my time. Yesterday we skated way too long.
Yeah?
Yeah, like I'm still recovering from yesterday.
Yeah.
Took
same.
a few spills, but
Yesterday I went to Easy 7
oh,
and
nice.
I bombed from the top as fast as I could, and my truck snapped when I got to the bottom.
Oh my god.
And I got pitched into the bank, so I'm recovering too. I'm in the same boat you are.
Dude, I know exactly what you're talking about. Because even if your trucks don't break, like
get a wobble.
I've seen people like fly from one, like dropping in, and then
Yeah.
fly to the other bank. This is. We always get trains here a lot.
Oh yeah. All right, give you guys a quick tour. Kicker the rail. That's pretty cool. That just looks fun with my tricks on right there. Look at this hole though. That's insane. Wow. Such a variety of obstacles here. Got that. Snappy curb. It's like a lot of unique stuff. Alright, I haven't warmed up yet, but I feel like I'm obligated to feeble fakie on this right here. All right, one and done for me. I always get freaked out when there's no coping on something big like that. Even with a feeble fakie, I'm confident in it. I still feel, for some reason, like, I don't know, the truck doesn't like come off the same way, or I don't know what it is. Maybe the concrete grips it a little more, but it feels like just like there's like a hint of that it could stick and I could fall to the flat, and I don't like that.
I stopped for years. Like, I stopped skating probably in my 30s and 40s, and then I started skating like once the pandemic happened. I got laid off.
Yeah.
I was like, I ain't got nothing to do.
How old are you now?
51.
Damn.
Yeah.
Moving well.
Trying not to slow down.
That's awesome.
All the other ones we've had, like in different neighborhoods, they all got shut down. The city found out and tore it down, but this is in private property, and the people who own the property, like, kind of let it slide. Like they're like, if we don't know about it, then it's like.
And how long? So how long's it been here?
2018.
Okay, that's a good run. Get out of the sun. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Good seeing you. Just crushed some in and out, and don't feel like moving at all. But gonna try anyway. Nice to meet you.
James Simpson, man.
How's it going?
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Appreciate you coming out.
So my cousin and I kind of grew up skateboarding together, but my cousin was way better than I was, and my cousin actually ended up going pro.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Grew up for audio forever.
I remember those days.
Yeah.
One Step Beyond.
One Step, yeah, he had a part in One Step Beyond.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, let me guess. Nate Broussard.
Nate Broussard. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, that's my cousin. Yeah. I talk to him all the time, man. I try to get him to come out, but he didn't answer.
Oh, that's good. Sorry, guys. We just hopped over here.
Oh, shit. You film YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Bro, I've watched your videos since
Chad,
I
nice to meet you,
started skating.
Really?
That's so weird, bro. He be doing like crazy, like flip-ins on transition. Like, that's actually crazy, bro.
Nice
Sorry,
to meet you.
That took me super off guard.
What's your name again?
I'm Sam.
Sam?
Yeah.
Chad, nice to meet you.
Sam, James.
Yeah.
Nice to
Nice to
meet
meet you guys. Check. And when you came up, you're like, I'm gonna do this. What was the reaction of your family that when you sat them down and like, hey, I'm gonna skate across America? What was the reaction from your friends and family?
Well, my mom was like, maybe you just do Long Island, you know, like a little shorter.
Just to
like,
try it out, just to practice,
yeah. And when I said it at work to everyone, they were all like, no one would believe it. Like,
Right.
They just thought it wasn't possible, or I'd get killed, or all this stuff, and that kind of made me want to do it more.
And what were you editing on?
Yeah, iMovie.
Really?
I still do to this day. So I started my channel, was $10,000 in debt, no money, started my YouTube channel, leased an iPhone, never used a phone before or social media, and learned it all, and still only use a phone to this day.
Have you reached out to iMovie or whatever and said, hey,
Apple
look what I did, look what I, you know. Like,
Apple doesn't sponsor anyone. I would love it, but I don't even, yeah.
and also, you not just a documentary, but you also got a book out.
Yeah.
And tell me a little bit about the book.
The book goes even deeper. I walk you through every single day, my experiences, what I was feeling, the people I met, preparation, my sobriety, all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And then paired with high quality images and a foreword by Tony Hawk.
Oh, nice. And you took all the pictures on your iPhone, or were there professional pictures?
Yeah, so some of them, it's like half and half.
Uh-huh.
Professional photographers met up with me throughout the trip. So there's really high quality images, and then there's like, you know, little compilations of iPhone photos.
Yeah. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention this, but yeah, you did this all for charity.
Yeah.
That's incredible. Talk a little bit about the charity that you did it for.
Yeah, so I did it for a nonprofit called Natural High.
Mm-hmm.
They're in classrooms in all 50 states, and they help kids find something positive to focus on instead of drugs and alcohol, which was like, I was like, what can I do for this trip that represents what has helped me? Skateboarding was something that kept me out of trouble, so I just wanted to give back to what helped me.
You know, kids watching you, like, I want to do something like that. What kind of advice can you give them?
Yeah, if you have an idea, just follow it, do whatever interests you the most, because that'll be the easiest to go after it if you are really obsessed about it. And give yourself the best chance for success by no drugs and alcohol, have a clear mind, take all that stuff out, and it'll just be much easier to accomplish what you want to.
Well, you're really inspirational, Chad.
Thanks, man.
And keep it up, man. And I can't wait to see what adventure you do next, man. And enjoy yourself while you're in Texas.
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks for having me on, man.
Absolutely. Appreciate it. Thank you, Chad.
What's that?
Do you have anything? Facebook, Instagram,
Instagram
Messenger?
and YouTube. I do daily
Instagram?
uploads on YouTube.
Hey, yo, send me your
Instagram?
Yeah, send it.
I'm gatekeeping.
No, don't gatekeep, bro. Don't gatekeep.
Hey, no gatekeeping.
Come on.
Skating?
I might roll around.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
What's your name?
David, homie.
David, Chad.
Nice to meet you, man.
That's sick.
I was in the way, so I had to like that.
All right, I think that's going to be it for me today. Park was just way too busy, people going every which direction, and I tore my MCL years ago from a BMXer crashing into me at the skate park, so when it gets this busy, I tend to just lay low. But yeah, I'm going to head to Austin now. I have a premiere there on Friday the 7th at No Comply Skate Shop. So yeah, should be in town. Might pop into San Antonio, we'll see. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.